was the service today, Alan?
It was absolutely great. I mean, look at the pure perfection of the workmanship on the vehicle. So yeah, no, the boys and girls that have been working on the car have done a great job, and it's always nice to see you guys. You're always smiling, always happy. So yeah, no, it was good.
And why did you want to support Genuine Futures, Alan? I know we was here last time and you supported us, but why is it you want to support us?
Because you talk a good game in relation to helping young people get on the career ladder, giving them work experience, and obviously it's a worthwhile endeavour for you to be involved in, and it's something that obviously I'm very happy to support.
Fantastic. And Alan, final question. What would you say for any other organisations why they should support Genuine Futures?
For exactly the same reason that we do, that it gives those young people a first step on the career ladder. It's helping them gain good work experience, good customer connections and liaison with people. And yeah, so of all the sort of charities that companies can get involved with, this is a very worthwhile one.
Thank you very much, Alan. Thanks for supporting us. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.